thunderstorm warning for southeastern and Arundel County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Georges County in central Maryland, northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland until 1:15 p.m. At 12:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from National Harbor to St. Charles to 6 miles southeast of Lafayette, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Western Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland until 1:15 p.m. At 12:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from National Harbor to St. Charles to 6 miles southeast of Lafayette, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Unsecured light miles per hour radar. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, Clinton, Mayo, Shadeside, Dale, Upper Marlboro, South River, Brady Point, Rose River, Andrews Airport Base, Camp Springs, Oxon Hill, Rosaryville, Friendly, Martin, Dunkirk, St. Charles, Active Peak, and Brandywine. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for central and southern Maryland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for central and southern Maryland. This includes Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, and Paul Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for north central Howard County in central Maryland, east central Montgomery County in central Maryland until 12:45 p.m. At 12:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Olney, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for north central County. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur until 12:45 p.m. At 12:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Olney, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Ellicott City, Galena, Central Virginia, Blue Ridge, Carpenter, Eastern Highland, Cedric, Virginia, Green, Madison, Nelson, Northern Virginia, Blue Ridge, Orange, Page, Rappahannock, Rockingham, Shenandoah, Northern Western Highland.
Never gonna get a break.
Eastern Grant, Eastern Massachusetts, Hampshire, Virginia, and Western severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, southeastern Carroll County in north central Maryland, Baltimore City in northern Maryland, and Arundel County in central Maryland, Howard County in central Maryland, eastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northern Prince George's County in central Maryland, east central Arlington County in northern Virginia until 1:15 p.m. At 12:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sickesville to near Columbia to Beltsville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Arlington, Columbia, Bowie, Severn, Annapolis, Clinton, Olney, Pikesville, College Park, Crofton, Middle River, Fort Washington, Greenbelt, Cockeysville, Langley Park, Beltsville, Elk Ridge, Riviera Beach, and Forestville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for District of Columbia, Central, Northern and North Central Maryland, and Northern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for District of Columbia, Central, Northern and North Central Maryland, and Northern Virginia.
Heading close to Reagan National Airport right now. We know that there are lots of delays and cancellations at all area airports. You're going to want to, before you head out the door, and of course,
last time,
have the very latest coming up for you in traffic and weather.
Issued a tornado warning for southeastern Howard County and central Maryland, east central Montgomery County, and central Maryland.
Finally stream my
1 p.m. At 12:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located in Columbia, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
he said he's
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Savage, Guilford around 12:40 p.m. Columbia around 12:45 p.m. Ellicott City around 12:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornado thunderstorms include Fulton, Simpsonville, Burtonsville, and Skanksville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now for the
We interrupt this program to
activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a in central Maryland. That has now been extended until 1 o'clock this afternoon. At 12:35, a severe thunderstorm capable of tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, sliding glass, and windows may occur.
Weather alert. Weather alert.
Damage is likely. Again, we interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C.
Impact, photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous.
disciplinary
Without shelter.
Windows may occur, mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed, and tree damage is likely. Again, we interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency.
Waves less than 1 foot. Sunday, east winds include Fulton, Simpsonville, Burtonsville, and Skanksville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 2:15 p.m. At 12:39 p.m., strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from Mirnamini Bay to 9 nautical miles west of Yokomeeka River to 14 nautical miles southwest of Urbana Inlet, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and waterspouts possible.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Hooper Island Light, Smith Island, Piney Point, Crisfield, Deep Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, Nanticoke River mouth, Southwest Middle Grounds, Jewel, Point Lookout, Tall Timbers, Tangier Sound, Harbour River, Fishing Bay, Point No Point, Five Owl, The Target, Richland Point Buoy, and Deal Island. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern Maryland and the adjacent coastal waters. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 6 p.m. for the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
Remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County, Southern Maryland, Calvert County, Southern Maryland, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. Frederick to near Sheridan Point to Coles Point, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, Calvert County in southern Maryland, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Prince Frederick to near Sheridan Point to Coles Point, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lexington Park, Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Leonardtown, Prince Frederick, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, St. Inigo Creek, St. Mary's City, Greenwell State Park, Howland Point, St. Leonard Creek, Breezy Point, Down Creek, St. Mary's River, White Point Beach, Couple Creek, St. George Island, Sheridan Point, Calvert Cliffs and Flag Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern and central Maryland. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern and central Maryland.
From near Colonial Beach to 20 nautical miles south of Westmoreland State Park, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard.